you ever buy these things? They're expensive. And I left, the one first pet peeve is this. They kind of stretch but don't stretch back. The elastics never last long. Or the straps. This one kind of works. But I left it for a while and, like, I didn't drool all over this thing, but look, there's like some nasty sticky substance. Like, is this rubber? Like, I'm gonna wash it off to see if it's still good, but is it? It's like the rubber's leaching some kind of weird material. Like, yeah, it's dirty, but there's like, basically it's all sticky. I don't know. I'm gonna bring it home, wash it, clean it, and see if I can order a strap. Hope the body of it's still good. My other one's brand new in a bag, and it drives me nuts. You pay 20-30 bucks for these things, and they use some inferior plastic that eventually off gases and turns to whatever. And you're probably all saying, "Oh yeah, just go buy another one. Go buy another one." I have like 4 of these things, and hey, I don't have money to be throwing. Like, not everybody can afford, you know, one every week, and plus it just looks like it needs to be cleaned. But it's like there's some icky. I don't even can see it. It's like, I don't know. And it's been on my shelf. There's nothing weird. There's been no deer licking it or anything. So I don't know. I'll try to get another 3M thing here. I'm sure they must sell the elastics for them. And this one kind of works. Mine just is an old one, so at least if the body of it works, I can get another headband somewhere. But I'm gonna clean it. Also, a recommendation I tell people on several times on my channel: I always keep them in plastic bags or in a cabinet sealed, because all the shit particles that get around your garage will fall in here and you'll suck them in your lungs. Like, I was just grinding. I used my other mask. I was grinding up lead and tin solder. I'm sure my hair's gonna fall out later, but I put one on. Should be fine. Who knows? If I'm bald next time, I either shave my head or I lost all my hair from, what do you call it, lead poisoning. So thanks for watching, Toodles, and don't forget to like and subscribe.